So yung Anti-Money Laundering Council and yung mga banks are mandated, obligado sila, tama po ba, na mag-comply. Pero as to the BIR, subject to the authorization by the President, tama po ba?
Obligado rin po siya mag-comply. However, she has a recourse in law which is under, or sorry, he has a recourse in law which is under Section 71. So as I was explaining, this was the same course of action that happened during the Corona impeachment trial. The subpoena was issued to Commissioner Henares at the time, and then Commissioner Henares, she asked the permission of the president at the time to be able to comply without violating the subpoena, and to also not to put her in jeopardy of criminal case. She asked the permission. So as the presiding officer has said, it is cognizant that this is the first step that might trigger such permission to be had. And he also explained in his resolution that without such permission, no evidence from the BIR will be allowed to be taken by the impeachment court.
Pardon the ignorance po, attorney. So, ibig sabihin, yung BIR commissioner ang gagawa ng pamamaraan para makomply ang subpoena ng impeachment court.
She now has, he now has rather, this subpoena to show the president, for the president to now respect a co-equal branch of the government for him to issue the permission.